Hey guys, the good folks over at FirstPower Pro sent me over this battery charger. This is model F2000X4. We'll get it opened up and see what you get. Stick around. I have a user manual here. Now the neat thing about this battery charger is you can use it on a smart battery, lead acid battery, all at the same time because it has four, as you can see, if I can get it where you can see it. Cables running everywhere here. Has four independent chargers built into one. So basically you could hook up a lead acid battery, lithium battery, gel battery, whatever. You got four different individual chargers built into one. Comes with mounting screws. It's got a little mount on here and a mount on here. You want to mount that up on a wall, and has your power cord, of course. This is not like a jump starter or something like this. You have to plug this into the AC outlet to be able to charge them all at once. 6 volt and 12 volt. Now each one of your cables has a independent fuse on there. So that's a nice feature right there. Now I was just reading, this does have a force charge mode operation. This function is primarily intended for lithium batteries whose voltage has dropped below 1 volt due to protection circuit activation. After correctly connecting the battery, press and hold the mode button for 5 seconds to activate force charge mode. This is indicated by all 4 battery level indicators flashing and the LI indicator being lit. So if you have a lithium battery that is locked up basically, you can use this to force charge it, to get it going again, wake it up basically. That's really cool. It says protection type, DAD battery, I guess it's short for dead, or reverse battery connection over temperature protection and battery voltage fault. Input voltage 100 to 240 VAC, 50 to 60 hertz. Input power 150 watts max. Output voltage DC 6 volt and 12 volt optional. Charging current 6 volts at 2 amps and 12 volts at 2 amps. So it's going to be kind of a slower charger, but should get the job done. The main thing is being able to charge 4 different types of batteries all at once. That was the huge factor on this one. It's what I really liked about it. Here, right here on the bottom of the backside is where you will plug in your AC cord. And there you go. You're ready to go. And basically, you're just going to hook up your battery and then select your battery type by pushing this center button. And it's basically your mode button to select the battery type. As you see, it is ready to go. As your standard AGM and lithium on the 12 volt and then a 6 volt battery. So, like I said, each one of them works independently. You can mix and match your batteries however you need to. It's going to be great for out in the boat because I have 2 smart batteries and then I have 2 lead acid batteries. So I'll be able to get them all going at once. Okay, as you see, I have my 2 batteries right here. Plug them in right there. Then we have an auxiliary battery right here, which is lead acid. And then our starter battery is under over there. So we can get all this hooked up and going. Now, I didn't measure the cables, but as you can see, this is pretty long. So that will stretch all the way over to there, here, and it's going to work out perfect. Okay, we have got it opened up more where we can get to it. And I was going to measure these cords real quick. Give me just a second. Okay, measuring from there all the way down to where the fuse is about 6 foot. So you have plenty of cable length there. I have these batteries hooked up together, so I'll be able to just connect these here and our ground right over here. Then we'll be able to select our battery type. And once you get the battery type selected, you are good to go. You have about 10 seconds before it starts charging. So you should be in good shape. Now we are charging. I'll get the other batteries hooked up in a moment, but I'm just going to try to show you how easy that is to do. Now, as far as your clamps go, they are good, solid clamps. The cable is not extremely thick. It will carry the amps that you need to be carrying. Like I said, it's 2 amp charging, so it's not going to charge really fast. So you don't have to worry too much about the wires getting overheated. Tell you what, if you're looking for a good charger where you can charge 4 different kinds of batteries all at the same time, you might want to check this one out. It's a winner in my book. Hey, if you want to check it out for yourself, I'll put a link down in the description where you can do so. Also, you might want to check out this playlist right over here. Maybe something in there that would perk your interest. Hey, I appreciate you watching. I'll see you in the next one. Y'all have a good rest of your day. Bye.